Hi, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And let's go ahead and get right into today's set. So today, you guys, we're going to be trying out some Bornpretty gel polish. Thank you so much to them for sending this over to me for me to try out. I'm going to go ahead and unbox them really quick, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick swatch, and then I will give you guys a close-up of each color. These were really pretty neon colors. They went on really smooth. They seemed to self-level for the most part. I didn't have any problems with that. It didn't look streaky at all. For my nail design, I did use like a liner brush just for the design that I was doing. So using that liner brush, it did make it look a little bit more streaky, but that was just because I was using that liner brush, because as you guys can see here, it's going on really smooth. I didn't have any streaks or anything like that. So overall, the pigment and the consistency and everything is definitely there. I will have a link and a code for you guys down below to save some money if you guys are interested. So I will be sure to leave all of that information down below. Once we do our swatches, here's all of the colors. I really love them. I really love the neon look of them. So those are the 5 colors I will be using, and now I'm going to go right into my application. I did go ahead and apply my tips and my peel off base coat off camera. So now I'm just going to go in with this nude, and that's going to be the base for all of my nails. So all of the nails will be this nude color, and I will be sure to leave everything linked down below that I'm going to be using today. I did notice further into the video or further into the set as I was doing it, like once I got to the fouling, I did notice that there was like some discoloration or separation with that acrylic. I'm not exactly sure, but it was not showing up as I was applying it. It's like, I don't know, once it's settled or the monomer, I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, that kind of did throw off my set. I was a little bit bummed about that because that nude was really pretty, but with the discoloration and the separation, or you know, whatever was going on with it, it kind of made it, you know, not as nice. But overall, I mean, I guess it still went okay with the set. If you look close enough, I feel like you can see the discoloration, because I know I could. But like I said, as I'm applying it, I didn't notice that until I actually got to the fouling. And once I was done fouling, I noticed that it looked a little spotty, or like, you know, the color had kind of left. I'm not exactly sure, and I'll try to point it out if I can later on in the video. But yeah, for now, just go ahead and sit back and enjoy this acrylic application, you guys. I am almost to 500 subscribers, so make sure you guys are liking, commenting, subscribing, all of that good stuff. Once we do reach 500 subscribers, I am going to do a small giveaway for you guys. So yes, just make sure to subscribe, comment, share this with anyone who may like it. If you are watching, thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I really do appreciate all of the love, all of the support. And I really just want to say again, thank you guys so much for all of the birthday wishes, all of the love on my last video. You guys, that video did numbers, and I'm just so thankful and just, you know, really grateful for you guys. So again, I'm going to go ahead and stop rambling. But again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Hit the bell. Let me know how you guys are doing. Happy Friday. Yeah, and just let me know how you guys are feeling right now. I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch this application, and then once I move on, I will be back. So this will be the last nail that I do on camera, but I did go ahead and finish all of them. So this is how the nails are looking. I'm not sure if you guys can see like the discoloration in it, but yeah, this is kind of like when I noticed it, and then like after I filed, I noticed it a little bit more. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and do just a quick file job. I did reshape, refile. I also went in with my e-file just to kind of crispen up my cuticle area and take down any bulk or, you know, any thickness that I seen on the nail. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all of that really quick. I am just gonna show a quick process of this, you guys. If you guys would like to see a more in-depth of how I file and get my nails looking nice and crisp, then definitely let me know down below and I will make a video dedicated just to my filing. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and speed through this just really quick, let you guys enjoy that, and then we're gonna move on to the next part. I did not encapsulate these nails just because I used the new color and I didn't go in with an ombre or glitters or anything. I honestly didn't feel the need. With the filing and everything, I didn't take off any of the color or mess it up at all. So overall, it came out pretty nice. Besides the discoloration in the acrylic, the application and filing and everything was really, really smooth. So yes, I'm gonna let you guys finish enjoying this and then I'll be back. Once I did all of my filing, reshaping, I did buff the nails and then I did wash my hands. I did forget to record once I started my nail art, but you guys will get to see exactly what I did. So for here, I'm just kind of going over the line that I already made for my French and just kind of filling it in, making sure that there's no streaks or no lines, making sure my whole French tip is filled in and colored. And for this French, I guess you can call it an abstract or either a swirl type of design or a swirl French. I basically just took my brush and I didn't want the lines to be perfect. I kind of just went like in a swirl motion or like a curve type motion, just, you know, until it looked good to me. And then once I did that, I went back in with my liner brush and I just filled in those sides. I also do use the actual gel polish, as you guys can see, just to kind of go in again and fill in a little bit more of that color. And once I get it exactly how I like, I did have a cleanup brush from the side just to make sure that everything was nice and clean. And then I do go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds in my lamp. Now I'm gonna move on to my next finger. Now you guys can kind of see a little bit more how I did each design. And when I did each design, I just kind of went in and kind of swirled it and just kind of did it. I really wasn't like following any type of, you know, method or anything. I just knew kind of how I wanted it to look and I just went from there. So yeah, I tried to kind of like change how the swirl look on each nail. So you'll see some are more longer on, you know, one side, and some are kind of shorter on the other side, if that makes sense, you guys. But yeah, just with this design, I just kind of wanted something different. So enough rambling. I'm just going to go ahead and fill that in. Once I get my swirl line exactly how I want it, I'm going to go back in with my liner brush and I'm going to go in and fill in that tip. And if I need to, I do take the actual gel polish brush out of the bottle and I use that as well to go in and fill in any missing parts or anything I feel like looks streaky or anything like that. I did cure each hand in the lamp for 30 seconds. Once I finished all of my nail art for the whole hand, I did go back in and cure the whole hand for a full 60 seconds. That's just something that I like to do. I do like a quick cure, 30 seconds, and then I do a full 60-second cure. So it's up to you what you decide to do. But I am going to go ahead and let this finish playing out. You guys can see me finish putting on this nail art. And once we move on, I will come back. I do just want to say I will leave everything linked down below if you guys are interested in checking out this neon gel set. I really love the colors in it. Like, all of the colors were really pretty. If I could have used every color in this set, I would have, because I really loved them. The pigment was there. I think you'll get away with one coat. They are neon colors, so I would recommend either using like a white base to kind of bring out that color more, or even I find using natural nail tips, like the ones that look white. I feel like even those bring out those neon gel polishes just a little bit more, but it's your preference. For this set with the nude, I honestly didn't care if they were like super bright. I just wanted the color. So I was really satisfied with how this looked. But as I said, when using neon colors, you can go in with a white base and then apply the neon, and that just makes it pop so much more. But yeah, I really love how this set came out. I feel like it was just perfect. And so yes, as I said, I will leave everything linked down below if you guys are interested, and also you guys can use the code link down below as well to save you guys a few dollars. Thank you again to Bornpretty for sending me these gel polishes. I'm going to go ahead and let this finish playing out. And one thing I did decide to do off camera last minute was I did go back in and outline each of my Frenches with a silver metallic gel liner, and that was just to add something more to it. I didn't know if I wanted to add gems, rhinestones, charms, or what, so I just went in and added like that silver metallic outline of each French, which you guys will see once it's completed. But yeah, I think that just kind of brought it together for me, and I really love how it looked. So enough rambling, I'm gonna let you guys finish sitting here watching this, and then I'll check back in just a minute. Once all of my nails are completed and cured, here's how they are looking. They're looking so cute. Now, as you guys can see, as I said, I did go in with this gel liner, and I did just outline my French. You guys will only get to see a little bit of this because my camera did cut off. I'm not sure why, but yes, here is how it is looking fully once I'm done, and I did cure that. I did also go in and apply top coat. Now I'm just wiping the nails down just to make sure they were not sticky, and that was pretty much all I did for this set, you guys. I'm going to go in and add some cuticle oil, and that was pretty much all for the set. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really love this quick and easy set. It was super cute and fun to do, actually. So yes, definitely give it a try. Definitely check out those gel polishes if you guys would like to recreate this set, because like they were really nice. Like they were definitely nice, and I did enjoy using them. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you guys for 321 subscribers. I appreciate you guys all so much. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this with anyone who may enjoy it, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.